I am so excited to invite you to join me at the Elevating Women in Channels, co-located with the MSP Leadership Summit in Atlanta, September 17th. Mark it in your calendars right now. Pause this. Did you pause it? You marked it in your calendars? We're going to be covering a ton of information. We're going to be talking about personal finance sessions, emerging technology, and how you can use emerging technology to help you in your career. Personal branding. Should you dye your hair a different color? Do you want to even dye your hair a different color? This is up to you. It's your brand. Who are you? So we're going to have in-depth workshops about what personal branding looks like on career and also talking about career planning. It's only $250 if you register before July 22nd. I'm going to be there. I just found out that Michelle's going to be there. Michelle McBain. If you have not met her, you have to meet Michelle. So please come join us. I can't wait to see you. It's going to be an amazing event.